Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of this Kivy programming series, you saw the assets we will need for our project. They include both visual assets like the images of the slugs and the racetrack and the button icons, and sounds like the audio effects that you will hear when a slug finishes a race or when the game is over. In this part, we're gonna set up a working environment for our project, so in other words, a folder in which our project will live. All the code files, both Python and Kivy, as well as all the assets, will be in that folder. So setting up the environment will include two steps. First, we'll create a folder for our project and then add the assets to the folder. You can download all the assets that we discussed in the previous part of this series from GitHub. You'll find the link in the video description. Your folder hierarchy will probably look different than mine. You will have to take this into consideration each time we need a path to one of our folders when working on the project. Now find a location where you want to save your project. To keep things simple, I created a projects folder on my desktop. You can create it anywhere you like. And here inside this folder, let's create another folder and name it Slugrace. This is for our project. Now this folder will contain both code and the assets for our project. So let's open the Slugrace folder and put the assets folder in it, which I already downloaded. Here it is. Good. And now when you open the assets folder, you should see the following hierarchy. You have the images, accidents, silhouettes, slugs, and here some simple images as well. And here are the sounds. We discussed all these assets in the previous part. Now make sure your folder hierarchy is the same as here if you want to follow along smoothly. As you can see, there are no files with code yet in the Slugrace folder, just the assets. We're gonna fix that in the next part, where we'll be creating all the folders we need. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.